Good day, everyone! I am Ice Galios with my partner,
Alyssa Bores.
So, we are here to talk about what we learned and share our ideas about the video that we watch. So, partner, what did you learn about the video that we watch?
So, I learned that recreational problem solving using mathematics is a mathematics done for recreation or as a hobby and intended to be fun. It involved games or puzzle that relate to mathematics, like Tower of Hanoi and Sudoku. It helped to develop our critical thinking while making math enjoyable and interactive. So, partner, anong learn mo?
I learned that the Puglia's 4-step problem-solving strategy. Number 1, understand the problem. There are corresponding questions in this step. For example, can you determine what is known about their types of problem? Number 2, devise a plan, make an organized list that shows all the possibilities. Number 3, review the solution, ensure that the solution is consistent with the fact of the problem.
That's cool. So, inductive reasoning help us identify pattern, and the deductive reasoning help us to apply the rules to arrive at the logical conclusion.
Problem-solving strategies.
Yeah.
Guess and check. Guess and answer and then check it. Make a table and look for a pattern. To solve the problem, you need to be able to recognize and describe the pattern that gives the relationship for the numbers or things.
And also, partner, I learned that problem solving with pattern, that recognizing pattern, it helps us to identify relationship between numbers, shape, or object, making it easier to solve a problem. And when you say Fibonacci sequence is the series of a number that the next number is found by adding up to the two numbers before it.
And lastly, we learned that mathematical language and symbol, the language of set. I learned that the set are collection of unique object and it is usually represented by a capital letter, and the object of a set is represented by commas.
Then, ang tawag sa makikita natin sa loob ng set ay member or elements. And understanding the set notation
means that X is an element of S
and means that X is not an element of S.
This set of notation help in solving mathematics problem. And also, we learned that hindi mahirap ang math kapag
willing tayong
matuto.
Sarap!
Then check. Guess an answer and then check it. Make an element of S, X,
And that in solving mathematics problem.
Sorry.